video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a hammock that is by the company Daze Hammock. I want y'all to check this thing out. I have been nothing but impressed with this. I've had it up here for about a month now. It does have this kind of like water resistant fabric on it, and it's got a series of padding in it, and this is like a floral type padding, very nice looking, very high quality like feel to it, and it's super comfortable. It has a detachable little pillow that you can put on and off. It's got these spreader bars right here that seem to hold it in this wide open like position. It's got polyester rope that's tied off, and it came with this O-ring tied into it. It did not come with these. These came on the actual hammock hanger, and what it came with is like an S-style hook, but I didn't need it. I just used this right here, and it worked extremely well. But I want y'all to kind of look over this thing. I have been nothing but impressed with this. This is a 12-foot hammock here, and it can hold up to the weight is 450 pounds, and it can hold multiple people, and that's kind of what I wanted. I wanted something that, you know, several of us could kind of sit on. And like I said, this pillow you can tie off right there, and it just kind of like easily lays on it. So it comes with your own pillow. You don't even need to get one. I will put it up when it comes like heavy storms or something like that, so it doesn't get like damaged. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the Daze Quilted Hammock. See you guys in the next video.